my name's Brooke with WTI, and I usually get a kink in my neck or it just gets sore doing ordinary things. That's why I love Elitehood's aluminum iPad stand. This is very durable. I love these hinges because I can get it low or I can get it high and I can angle the iPad just the way that I need it so it's comfortable for me. I love using this in the kitchen because it's easy to cook, following my recipe. I free up my hands. I don't have to bend my head all the way down. And if I spill, I won't ruin my device. So this is very great with the silicone pad here because once I put my iPad on here, it doesn't slip and slide. And it has the hooks with the silicone inside, so it's not scratching my device. And also on the bottom, there's silicone pads, so it's not going to slide anywhere. So this is wonderful and helps me in my life, especially if I need to use it for work, doing a Zoom call and being on my laptop at the same time. It's so efficient. I love how it folds. It's so great because it folds up so compact and fits right in my backpack. This looks so nice and organized on the desk, and just knowing that I have some organization, especially with the electronics, well, that is so worth it. So this is wonderful and is bringing a lot of joy to our life, and that's my point of view.